Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, LED headlights, rain-sensing wipers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.